Hello everyone. So as we talked about, we'll be dealing with two illustrations regarding mediation settlement. By means of these illustrations, we'll be understanding what a conflict situation is and how mediation was used to resolve the conflict situation. Also, we will be seeing what the terms of mediation settlement look like. Next, we'll be seeing how what things does a mediator has to keep in mind while drafting a mediation settlement. So the first illustration we'll be talking about is about Gagan, who is a contractor. Firstly, I'll be narrating you the entire mediation settlement and then we'll be discussing about this mediation settlement in brief. So the facts were: Gagan, who is a contractor, he constructs a house for Alok. Alok performs Griha Pravesh Puja and occupies the house. Gagan makes full and final bill for rupees 66 lakh rupees. Alok pays rupees 38 lakhs in all and refuses to pay the balance sum. Now the dispute has arisen. So to sum up the facts of what has been stated is that Gagan is a contractor and he has been hired by Alok, who is the owner of the house. Now, Alok has performed the Griha Pravesh Puja at the house and now Gagan has given a total bill of rupees 66 lakhs to Alok. Now, Alok makes a payment of rupees 38 lakh rupees only and he refuses to pay the remaining amount. So, this is where the dispute has arisen. Now, next is Alok. Alok, who is the building of the house, owner of the building of the house, he justifies the non-payment for the reason that the construction was of very poor quality. There was a delay of 7 months to complete. Substandard material was used. Due to delay, he suffered loss. He had to get the whole work redone separately at his own cost. Loan is availed from bank which he has to repay. Amount already paid is itself on the higher side. Demand is excessive. Architects have fully certified the value of the claim, etc. So I believe that you all have jotted down what is displayed on your screen. So to sum up the facts from Alok's side, he says that he is not willing to pay the remaining amount because of certain factors. Those factors being that the material used for the construction of the house was not adequate and the delivery of the house was given to him with a delay of 7 months. He had already taken a loan from the bank that he had to repay. Then the quality of the work was not up to the mark and several other factors. Now he says that the amount that he has already paid is already on the higher side. That is the amount of 38 lakhs that he has paid. He is saying that ye bhi bahut zyada hai. The amount is on the higher side itself. So also he is verifying his claim with the help of other architects. So now we'll be seeing the terms of the settlement. First is as against the total claim of 28 lakhs, Gagan agrees to receive rupees 18 lakhs in 3 installments of 6 lakhs each, payable in June 2024, September 2024 and December 2024. Second, Gagan, in addition, undertakes to service the building and attend to all defects pointed out free of cost by 31/5/2024. Full stop. Third, parties agree to sign the memorandum of a settlement accordingly and submit to DLSA. So I hope that I was slow enough for you guys to jot it down. Now, till the time you are copying anything which is left from the screen, I would like to explain these terms of the settlement. So first is that the total amount of the claim amounts to rupees 28 lakhs. That is 66 lakhs minus 38 lakhs which has already been paid. So Gagan agrees to receive it in a total amount of rupees 18 lakhs and he settles the claim for that, and this amount would be received in 3 installments of rupees 6 lakh each. So 6 lakh 3 installments makes it 18 lakhs. So now these installments will be payable on 3 dates by 3 checks, which would be June 2024, September 2024 and December 2024. Also, now here Gagan agrees that all the defects that were talked about, that were complained about by Alok, he'll be making up for those defects free of cost before 31st May 2024. Now, the parties also agree to sign a memorandum of settlement according to these terms and submit it to the DLSA. So next comes the memorandum. The memorandum of settlement executed between Gagan and Alok. So while jotting it down, just keep this thing in mind that the exact alignment is taken care of. So whatever is central aligned, keep it central aligned. This is how an actual mediation settlement would look like. So just take care of the actual alignment. Okay. So the memorandum of settlement executed between Gagan and Alok. So in this, the parties submit as follows: First, Alok is the owner of premises bearing number 57/1, comma, situated in Sardarpur Road, comma, Jodhpur, dash 331305, in brackets, hereinafter referred to as scheduled property. Keep scheduled property in single inverted comma and close the bracket. Full stop. Gagan was appointed, this is the second point. Gagan was appointed by Alok to carry out construction of ground and first floor residential building in the scheduled property. Full stop. Accordingly, comma, Gagan took up the construction of 2 floors of the residential building in the scheduled property. Full stop. Now third point is, certain disputes arose between the parties comma, namely, comma, the owner dash Alok and contractor dash Gagan in respective of the delay in completion. There's a typographical error here, so read it as completion and not competition. It's completion, comma, quality of work and the arrears payment to be made to the contractor. So meanwhile you guys are writing it down, let me just summarize it. So we begin the memorandum by telling about the property, the location of the property, and then we'll we'll term it as the scheduled property. So we'll briefly state about the facts. We'll start telling about the property. We'll say we'll tell them about which how much property was given to Mr. Gagan for the purpose of construction. That would be told, all the facts would be narrated, and then the dispute, the conflict that has arisen between the two, that would be talked about. Now next is fourth point. Both parties participated in mediation and accordingly have settled the terms and conditions which are reduced into writing as below. Then there's a colon and a dash. So now the terms and conditions which have been agreed to, that will be written down. So A would be Gagan has agreed to receive rupees 18 lakhs. So you have to write it both ways, numerically as well as in words. Brackets, rupees 18 lakhs only, bracket close, as against the total claim of rupees 28 lakhs, brackets, rupees 28 lakhs only, comma, from Alok as balance amount, comma, in full and final settlement of the whole claim, full stop. B, it is also agreed between the parties that Alok shall pay the said amount of rupees 18 lakhs, brackets, rupees 18 lakhs only, bracket close, in 3 equal installments of rupees 6 lakhs, brackets, rupees 6 lakhs only, bracket close, by way of checks in manner as follows. In the manner as follows. Then there's a colon. Then again, first point. Then this would be in Roman numbers. Check number triple 164 dated 30.6.2024, comma, drawn at HDFC Bank, comma, Saraswati Nagar, comma, Jodhpur, dash 342001. Second, check number 000165 dated 31.08.2024, comma, drawn at HDFC Bank, comma, Saraswati Nagar, Jodhpur, dash 3420005. 005. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's 342005. Next, check number 000166. It should be 166, not 165 in the third point. So it's check number 000166, dated 31.12.2024, comma, drawn at HDFC Bank, comma, Saraswati Nagar, comma, Jodhpur, dash 342005. So meanwhile, you people are jotting down whatever is left. So I'll just narrate you what are the terms and conditions which have been reduced into writing. So out of the total claim for which Gagan had filed, which was for 28,000, he agreed to receive 28 lakhs. He agreed to receive rupees 18 lakhs, and that 18 lakh rupees would be paid to him in 3 equal installments of rupees 6 lakh each. So as they had decided, those 3 installments would be in June, September and December. So for these installments, it would be paid by means of check, and for that the check number has been provided: 00000164, 000165 and 000166. So by each of these there will be a payment of rupees 6 lakh every time, and the dates have been given as June, September and in December. So as per the agreement, the dates and the amount has been fixed. Now next would be other terms, which is 5. Alok has handed over the post-dated checks duly signed favoring Mr. Gagan and assures to keep sufficient money in the bank account for encashment. Full stop. Gagan agrees to receive the entire amount of rupees 18 lakh in full and final settlement of the whole claim. Full stop. Point number 6. In addition to the above, comma, Gagan undertakes to carry out all the repairs and renovation as per the list dated 17/05/2023, comma, issued by Alok, comma, free of cost on or before 31/05/2024. Point number 7. The parties submit that they have no other claims of whatsoever nature against each other. Full stop. Point number 8. The parties withdraw all accusations, comma, allegations and complaints made against each other and assure to maintain good and friendly relationship in the future. Full stop. So meanwhile, I'll explain you these points. So in point number 5 to point number 8, so what has happened is that Alok, he has handed over the post-dated checks in favor of Mr. Gagan, and he has also promised that he'll be keeping sufficient amount of money in his bank account for encashment. That is, it would be more than 6 lakhs each time, because 6 lakh would be the amount that he'll be paying each of that time. Now even Gagan agrees that he will be receiving rupees 18 lakh in full and final settlement of his whole claim, the entire claim. Now also the list that has been provided by Alok, which is dated on 17/05/2023, of all the defects, the repairs and renovations that are required, that is handed over to Gagan, and he has promised, he has undertaken that the same would be done by him free of cost before 31st May 2024. Now also the parties now submit that they do not have any claim of any other nature, whatsoever nature, between each other, and also they withdraw all the accusations, all the allegations and complaints that they have made against each other, and they promise to maintain a good and friendly relationship in the future. Now next comes the scheduled premises. So as we talked about in the first point, the address of the building of which Alok is the owner, so we have to mention the entire the scheduled premises. So the scheduled premises is a 2-floor 20 square foot 20 square foot residential building bearing number 57/1, situated at Sardarpur A Road, Jodhpur, and the pin code is 331305, bounded on the east by main road, west by. So we'll be narrating all the specifics of the scheduled premises: north of property number this, south of property number this, then the place is stated, the date is given, and then both the parties and the mediator have to sign. So I'll just narrate this also. So a 2-floor residential building bearing number 57/1, comma, situated at Sardarpur A Road, comma, Jodhpur dash 331305. Next line, bounded on the colon next line, east by colon main road, west by colon property number 57, north by colon property number 58, south by property number 41. So all these have to be in different lines. Next comes the place for the side of place. So we'll be writing place colon Jodhpur, and in the next line we'll be writing the date, which is 30/05/2023. Now on one side Gagan will sign and the other side will be signed by Alok, and then the mediator will sign. So this is how a mediation settlement would look like, what would be the terms of the mediation settlement we've seen, and what all things will the mediator keep in mind while drafting the settlement, that also we've seen. So all the facts are hypothetical, all the people named here are hypothetical. So it can be any road, any property, it need not be this in specific, it's all a hypothetical situation. I hope that you liked the class today, and thank you.